Well, good afternoon, everybody. How are we today? I have got some Amazon stuff, and we're going to open it together, okay? This is a continuation of my gift cards from Christmas and birthday. So, the first thing I'm going to open is this little box that they absolutely stuffed into my mailbox. All of this was stuffed in my mailbox. So, I had to go out in the snow and the ice to go across the street to my mailbox. Lovely. Okay, so this is a KitchenAid chopper that was recommended to me by Red Ruby. And let's open it up and see what it looks like. Anything is better than what I've been getting, because so far nothing has really done the job. Well, if I can get it open. Oh, look, and of course it's in red. Whenever I can, I order stuff in red. This looks nice. It's going to be easier than a regular knife. It's going to be so easy to chop with this. Thank you, Red Ruby. I am definitely going to. This was the one. Thank you, darling. What else is in here? Then I ordered some Nexus Hydrolite shampoo. This was recommended on one of the beauty channels for fine hair like mine. So I wanted to give this a try. Oh, it's so cold. Everything's so cold because it's so cold outside. So there's that little box. Now, got a bunch of little packages here. Okay, now this is an eyeliner brush that I ordered because I really don't have one. And I've been watching some videos of how to do eyeliner for older women. So what I did was I got a special brush, and it's bent. So it's supposed to help you really get in there. Can you see that? It's an eyeliner brush with a bend in it to help you get into all the little nicks and corners and all there. So that's that. Yes, it's another box, Vivi, but I'm filling it up with stuff. Vivi loves boxes. All right, then we've got this one. Ooh, okay. So I was watching. This is Melissa M Beauty, and she was showing us all these beautiful eye palettes. I can't afford them. They're from ColourPop, and they're so pretty. But I did find a palette that was similar to one of them because, as much as I want them, I can't justify spending $25 on an eyeshadow palette. I just can't, you know. I'm not made of money, so. But this was part of my gift certificate, so. And I wanted those gift certificates to go a long way. So I did not really splurge on one thing except the coffee pot The coffee pot was the most expensive thing I got, I think. And look at this beautiful. Oh my gosh. The cover itself is so pretty. The company's name is Novo, Novo. And I just fell in love with these colors when I saw them online. And it got fantastic reviews by people. So there's a lot of pinks in here. There's some pink glitters. Um, they're very nice. So I'll have to try that out. And it looks like one more. I'm hoping to get one of those color pops for my birthday, but if not, I'll get it at tax time. What is this? Oh, yeah. This is something that Mrs. Melissa M. Beauty recommended. She's got a whole bunch of them. But these are like microfiber washcloths. All you have to do is put water on them and it'll take your makeup off. Very easily is what she said. So I ordered just one because I wanted to see, how it works. But it is so soft, ladies. Oh my, is it soft. And it is called a makeup remover. So we're going to experiment and see what happens. Directions: washcloth before first use. And then saturate a portion of the cloth with warm water. Gently wipe makeup off. Wash as needed. So we're going to give that a try. So that was a pretty fun Amazon unboxing. Just a little bit of everything. The makeup remover, the eyeshadow palette, the Nexus shampoo. Hopefully it'll give you some more life. This wonderful chopper. And this little eyeliner brush. There are some new techniques that I've been watching and something I definitely want to try. So when I feel up to it, I'm very tired this afternoon, but when I feel up to it, I will actually demonstrate to you um, what I've seen on Shelley's channel, Fabulous 50s. She gives really, really great tips for us older women with all these, with loose skin and everything, and how to do eyeliner. And she actually does it with darker eyeshadow, not eyeliner itself. So once I have watched her a couple times and I feel confident with it, I will make a video about it. Okay? So that is it for today. We're getting down to the wire, like I said the other day. Now I'm just waiting on two things. And once I get my canisters for my flour, sugar, and tea, and my new back thing from my bed, because this one has fallen apart, as you can see. I've had this almost a year, and it only recently started coming apart. So they don't last forever, and especially if you get one of the cheaper ones, like this one was, they don't last forever. So I'm waiting on a hot pink one, because my room is pink, so it'll be so cool. Anyhow, I hope you all have had a good day. It is snowing like crazy today. We're getting more tonight, more tomorrow, and it's just winter has arrived, that's for sure. So you all have a great evening, and I'll see you later. And thanks so much for watching my channel. Bye bye.